Good morning, everybody. This is Raman Chaube, and today we are going to talk about rationalization of denominator, which is the chapter first from NCERT book. In this context, first we are going to describe what is the meaning of rationalization of denominator. In mathematics, sometimes we rationalize the denominator because the denominators are given in radical terms or the surd. Means sometimes it happens that the fraction which is given the denominator in the form of square root or the cube root. In NCERT context, we are going to discuss only about the fractions which denominators are square root form. So there are basically two type of rationalization of denominators may have given. The first kind of fraction is type 1. In this type, the denominator contains only one values, which is irrational number, like 2 by root 3 or 4 by root 5. So here we can see these two are the denominator as well as irrational number. So how we can rationalize, we are going to talk later, but first we are going to once again talk about the type 2, in which the denominators have more than one terms, like 3 by root 2 plus root 5. Here we can see the denominators contain two irrational numbers, or it may be possible that denominator will contain only one irrational and another rational number. It may also have possible that a numerator also have a irrational number and denominator may have one or couple of irrational number. So there are two type of problems which we are getting for rationalization of denominator. One by one we are going to talk how we will solve type 1 and how we will solve type 2. To solve type 1 problem, to solve type 1 problem, which is very easy, we will see the denominator is, let me take one example. Suppose the example is 2 by root 3. So here I don't have problem with the numerator. I am having problem with the denominator. Denominator must be rational. This is my topic. So what we are trying to do, we are multiplying same number with numerator as well as denominator. And why we can do this? Because when we will cancel both, we are going to get 1. So the main basic concept behind that, the number can multiplied by 1, this number also can multiplied by 1, and 1 by 1 can be written as a under root 3 by under root 3. When you will simplify, this is going to be 2 root 3, and root 3 is multiplied with root 3 is going to become a 3 itself. Now our process has done for the rationalization denominator. Now we are having a denominator which is rational number. Now let me take the example number 2, type 2. So in this type 2, we are getting the denominators with more than one irrational number. So under root 3 minus under root 2, suppose I am getting. So in this case, we are multiplying with the conjugate to numerator as well as denominator. So what is the conjugate? Conjugate means the factor in which the sign of the second number is changed. Sign of only second number will be changed. So this will be under root 3, and the sign of second number is minus. So this is going to become plus under root 2, and the same number you are going to divide in denominator also. So under root 3 plus under root 2. In general, if we will talk about the rationalization factor for type 1, the rationalization factor is under root a, and For type 2, the rationalization factor is a minus plus under root b. And why I have written minus plus? Because if there is a something 1 by under root a plus under root b, then the rationalization factor, which this is called rationalization factor, so rationalization factor will be a minus b. If there is a plus, we will apply minus. If there is a minus, we are going to apply for the plus, means converse of the sign which is already given. So thank you very much. This was the introduction video about how to rationalize the denominator. Next couple of videos, we are going to solve all the problems from R.D. Sharma. So keep watching the video. Thank you very much.